Hi everyone. Today I have a beautiful hammer style Santoku. Check this out. Whoa. Is that beautiful? Or is that beautiful? I don't know if it's German or anything. It mentions German steel. It's an X50. Right, just needs sharpening. I've never seen air vents or ports or whatever they're called like that. How good is that? So let's pop it on and give it a sharpen and give it back to the gentleman. Look at that. Just beautiful. Feels solid. Nice, what is that, rosewood handle? Just great. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Right, so let's sharpen it. So, I reckon... Oh, hi, I'm Baz. This is at I Sharpen, and today I'm sharpening this beautiful hammer style Santoku. I've never seen one like this before, so I thought I'd let you in on it. But as normal, we just clamp it. Bring it up to roughly where I think. And I reckon I'll go with 15 degrees per side, which is 30 degrees total. Okay, it needs to lay down a bit more. Beautiful. Start off by conditioning with the 80. Turn that into a 240. Straight into it. Couple of grinds per side to start with. Burr developing. Nice. Smooth the wheel off with a 320. The 320 turns the wheel into about a 960 grit. Which I think is a perfect grit for a kitchen knife. Always nice and smooth. And don't forget those heels. Engineering eye says one more pass on the back. Perfect. Well, a little bit more heel work on this side. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful. Have a look. How unique are these ports? Fantastic. So now we deburr on the honing wheel. Apply some chrome oxide by Veritas. And as always, we point the burr to the top. We'll get to that in a minute. First, we want to weaken the back of the burr by polishing it gently. We don't want to overhone, so I'm going to check it on my fingernail after a couple of passes. And what I actually want to feel is a bit of the burr left over, which tells me that I haven't overhoned and it needs a little bit more. Now these days I'm finding just a couple of passes, maybe 3, maybe 4 per side is all you need. Yep, a little bit of burr left in the middle. Perfect. Check on the fingernail. Magnificent. Now, over to the kangaroo strop. This is a kangaroo tail strop. The tails have got these little ridges that you want in order to remove the root of the burr, which still remains after deburring. It's a stubborn little bastard. But if you can get it off, then you can glide through the rolling papers, which are a great test, and lands the knife at around about 100 bes. And there's no exact science here, but two things is try and keep it close to the bevel. Doesn't have to be exactly on the bevel, but you know, I usually favour the apex a little bit. And usually about a dozen strokes before we test. Not bad. A little bit more. Maybe lighter strokes this time. A little bit on the suede side, doesn't hurt. Light as possible. And we test. Let's have a look. That's magnificent, beautiful. So that was the hammer style Santoku. Hammer style. Dun 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 dun. I won't do that again. Hammer style. Stahl, I used to know German a little bit, but what does that mean? That is a beautiful knife. Wow. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. And, you know, press your buttons. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. Subscribe and join us. I post knife sharpening videos very regularly. And I'd love to have you as one of my regular visitors. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.